Hey friends, if you encounter the error, something happened and we couldn't start the upgrade in Windows, then please watch this video now. This is specific to the upgrade process. Otherwise, I would have straight away suggested resetting Windows Update components. So here's what you have to do. The first solution is to restart your PC. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The second solution is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and select disk cleanup. Check all of the boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab. On the list on the right hand side, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters, select run. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.